Hi, I'm Jackie Sinclair, otherwise known as the Juicy Chef, Meatless Monday Global Ambassador for Jamaica and founder of Yam and Trod. Welcome to the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. Today, I just concluded my vegetarian and gin pairing class. My students and I made these lovely vegan crab cakes made by Grace's green jackfruit. And we also did an avocado salad, my personal recipe, with some scallion and scotchy, all the lovely fresh Jamaican foods from the soil, and we did a Thai red curry with some mushrooms grown in the Blue Mountain. So I wanted to show my Juicy Chef ethos of cooking local, eating global with 100% Jamaican vegetables. Speaking about Meatless Monday, we go meat-free once a week for health and the environment. So I hope you enjoy all the offerings that I cooked today with my beautiful students here at the Jamaica Food and Drink Festival in the kitchen.